responsive, with powerful performance. Engineered with military-grade quality, the IdeaPad Slim 3 laptop is ideal for on-the-go work, school, or entertainment. Powered by up to 13th Gen Intel Core processors, this 15.6 device boasts speedy responsiveness for all your apps so you can multitask to your heart's content. Plus, huge amounts of storage mean you can save your entire multimedia library on your PC without compromise. Military-grade durability. Whether you're heading to the library, the coffee shop, the airport terminal, or anywhere in between, you can trust that this sturdy device is made to last. At 10% slimmer than the previous generation, the IdeaPad Slim 3 laptop easily slips into your backpack or travel bag. It's engineered to withstand shock, dust, and harsh travel conditions. Immerse yourself in the experience. With its narrow bezels and stunning display, the IdeaPad Slim 3 is sure to turn heads even while yours stays focused on the 15-inch high-def wide-angle view. TUV certified low blue light helps avoid eye fatigue. What's more, Dolby Audio ensures you'll enjoy premium sound on a video call, watching a movie, or just listening to your favorite tunes. Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 315i U8 features wide-angle 15.6 inches laptop powered by up to 13th Gen Intel Core i3 processor. Settings let you optimize performance, extend battery life, and keep the system cooler. Great for video calls, webcam with privacy shutter, Dolby Audio, and noise cancellation. 8GB memory and 256GB SSD helps to accelerate performance. HD 720p with privacy shutter and integrated fingerprint reader. Windows 11 Home operating system.